Welcome to Maths with Paru. Today I will be discussing a question from the November 2021 P2 exam paper. It's question 3 and it deals with the trapezium rule. Now the first part of the question is evaluating the area under the graph, under the curve from basically x equals 2 to x equals 14. Now, when we do that, we want to find out certain basic information, which would be that a is equal to 2, b is equal to 14, and the number of strips is 4. So in order to find h, the formula would be b minus a over n, which is going to give us 14 minus 2 over 4, which is equal to 3. So here we have h is going to be equal to 3. Now we're going to use this information and we're going to use the trapezium rule to find the area under the curve. Now the trapezium rule is going to be h over 2 into y0 plus 2 into y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4, and when we evaluate it from the calculator, we simply substitute when x is equal to 2 for log of 2 and we get 0.3010. When x is equal to 5, log of 5 will give us 0.6990. When x is 8, log of 8 gives us 0.9031. When x is equal to 11, log of 11 gives us 1.0414. And when x is equal to 14, log of 14 gives us 1.1461. And we use the trapezium rule to find the answers to that. So when we evaluate it, we will find that the answer we get for this is going to be 10.10. So they say use the trapezium rule with 4 strips to show that r is equal to 10.10. And when we evaluate it, that's what we get. Now this is part A. Moving on to part B, they say, let's evaluate, their question is, how could we obtain a more accurate estimate? For that, we simply want to have thinner strips. So we just increase the number of strips, so we get thinner strips, and our accuracy as well will increase. Now let's move on to part C. Part C, question 1, says we want to integrate log of root x. Now, log of root x can be written using our basic knowledge of indices as x to the power half. And if we use the logarithm laws, we can write it as half log of x. Now, we have already evaluated in part A what the integration of log of x is, and that's 10.10. So we divide that by 2 to get 5.05. That is the answer to part C, question 1. Now part C, question 2 says we want to evaluate the log of 100x cubed. So we use our laws of logarithm to separate it out into log of 100 plus log of x cubed. Now log of 100 base 10 is simply log of 10 squared, which is 2 log 10, which is just 2. So we want to integrate log of 2 plus log of x cubed can be written using the logarithm laws as 3 log x. So now we're going to integrate 2 which becomes 2x, and the limits are from 2 to 14, plus 3 times, we've already got from part A that log of x is 10.1. Now 2x evaluated from 14 to 2 will give me 2 into 14, which is 28, minus 2 into 2, which is 4, plus 3 times 10.1. which is 30.3. So when we add it, our final answer is 54.3. I hope you understood my explanation and enjoyed watching this video. Until my next video, thank you for watching.